Good morning, everyone. My name is Akhila and I am the head of the engineering department. Here I am to give you a brief about milling machines. Milling is a process performed with a machine in which the cutters rotate to remove the material from workpiece present in the direction of angle with the tool axis. With the help of milling machines, one can perform many operations and functions starting from small objects to large ones. Milling machining is one of the very common manufacturing processes used in the machinery shops and industries to manufacture high precision products and parts in different shapes and sizes. Milling machines are also known as multitasking machines (MTMs), which are multi-purpose machines capable of milling and turning the materials as well. The milling machine has got the cutter installed upon it, which helps in removing the material from surface of the piecework. When the material gets cooled down, then it is removed from the milling machine. Milling process. The milling machine involves the following process or phases of cutting. Milling cutters. There are a lot of cutting tools used in milling processes. The milling cutters named end mills have special cutting surfaces on their end surfaces so that they can be placed onto the workpiece by drilling. Surface finishing. Any material put through cutting area of the milling machine gets regular intervals. The side cutters have got regular ridges on them. Gang milling. This means that more than 2 milling cutters are involved in a setup like the horizontal milling. All the cutters perform a uniform operation, or it may also be possible that the cutter may perform distinct operation. This is an important operation for producing duplicate parts. There are two types of milling machines, vertical milling machines and horizontal milling machines. The vertical mill has a vertical arranged spindle axis and rotate by staying at the same axis. The spindle can also be extended and performing functions such as drilling and cutting. Vertical mill has got two further categories turret mill and bed mill. The turret mill has got a table that moves perpendicularly and parallel to the spindle axis in order to cut the material. The spindle is, however, stationary. Two cutting methods can be performed with this by moving the knee and by lowering or raising the quill. The other is the bed mill, in which the table moves perpendicular to the axis of the spindle and the spindle moves parallel to its axis. Horizontal milling machines. The horizontal mill is also the similar cutter, but their cutters are placed on a horizontal arbor. A lot of horizontal mills have got rotatory tables that help in milling in various angles. These tables are called the universal tables. Apart from this, all tools that are used in a vertical mill can be used in a horizontal mill. And this is a brief about milling machines. Thank you.